Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jen J, and today I am coming at you in my natural bare face because we need to take care of my hair. We do. It's been 2 weeks since I've had these braids in, and between you and I did not put anything in my hair. Not a drop of water, a little spray of something, a little leave-in conditioner, nothing. Which means my hair is probably in horrible shape under this, but I know what I've done. And today's plan is to take out my braids, wash my hair, put the braids back in. That is right. That's right, because I talked about the dangers of protective styling, and here I am, protective styling. However, I have a reason. I need to put my hair away because I just haven't been into it. I haven't been into taking care of my hair. I haven't been into styling my hair. Someone sent me a message on Instagram actually and said, between me starting the no oil and butter thing and me dyeing my hair, it really feels like I've lost my passion when it comes to my natural hair. She is right. I will be the first one to admit it, because you know, I can't lie to y'all. I'll be the first one to tell you, I have not been into my hair for the past, honestly, like 4 months. Since the beginning of this year. I don't know, something inside of me kind of died when it comes to my natural hair. And you guys know I used to love taking care of my hair. I have a whole channel about taking care of my hair, and I don't know, sometimes I guess you really want to take care of your hair and other times you don't, and I'm giving myself grace. So because I don't feel like taking care of her, I will be putting her away once again. And I thoroughly enjoyed these braids. These braids actually happened out of necessity in a sense. I was traveling, I booked an appointment to see a stylist or someone to get it done for me, and she canceled the day of. The day of! So I had to make do with what I had, and my mom actually helped me, and she basically parted my hair for me, and I did the braids. Shout out to you, Ma. You're a real one. Let me tell you something. Mothers, Haitian mothers specifically, they can be a little rough around the edges, but at the end of the day, when you need someone that's going to be there for you, it's going to be your Haitian mother, okay? So, gotta give her grace. Anyways, let's take out these braids and let's get this video started. If you want to see me do my hair, wash my hair, struggle most likely as I do my hair, then keep on watching. It just hit me that I did not show you how bad my hair actually is. I have to show you. Alright, so the hair is out. And you know what? It's been a while since I saw my hair. Well, 2 weeks. And, okay, first of all, yes, my scalp is itchy, girl, okay? It's been 2 weeks. I have put nothing in my hair. However, considering the fact that I put absolutely nothing in my hair for the past 2 weeks, she does not feel as dry as I thought she was going to feel. It's very weird. It's very, very weird. This is why this no oil and butter thing sometimes I'm like, maybe it's a bunch of mumbo jumbo. I still don't know. I still haven't figured it all out. But at other times I'm like, maybe there's something to it, because the way that I thought my hair was gonna be like crinkle popping and cracking and falling, it's not. It's not at all. The ends, yes, the ends do feel really, really dry. Like I have to be really careful. But the rest of my hair is not so bad. It's very weird. Anyway, the hair is out. All right. And we have a lot of work to do. So let's keep going. First thing I'm going to do though, because my hair is, you know, not in the best shape, I am going to pre-poo. And y'all know, pre-poo used to be my thing. I'm gonna bring her back today because there's no way I will put water in my hair as is. So a little bit of conditioner in a spray bottle, spritz is what we're going to do. And then detangle while we're at it. Remove some of the shedded hair. Girl, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm going to do, okay? What I use is a bit of conditioner. I actually already had a bit of the conditioner and water mixture in this bottle, but I'm just gonna add more conditioner to it. A little bit of water, shake it up, and there you go. I actually started a little bit already because I am filming a few TikToks. Oh my God, follow me on TikTok. Finally, I'm giving that platform a fair chance. Anyways, I'm just gonna go in and remove some of the shedded hair that I have before I hop in the shower. That's going to make my life a lot easier, really. Just like that, ever so gently. You know, I have time now. I don't actually use oils to pre-poo anymore, just because that I found that it's not absolutely necessary. But of course, you can add oils if you like, or you can just use an oil to pre-poo. The choice is yours, really. While I have the conditioner and water mixture in my hair and I finger detangle, I am actually gonna go with a brush and thoroughly detangle my hair even before I get in the shower. And I just find that it makes it a lot easier for me to detangle while I am outside of the shower, you know, while I'm dry, versus standing in the shower, fighting with my hair and getting frustrated later on. Now it's time to go ahead and wash my hair, and I am using AG Curl Fresh line for this. So I'm actually going to shampoo my hair twice to make sure that I'm thoroughly washing. It's actually been 2 weeks since I washed my hair, so I want to make sure everything is clean. You can see that the second shampoo has a lot more lather, indicating that my hair is a lot cleaner. And then we are following up with our conditioner. Let the conditioner sit for a little bit as I wash my face. A very straightforward shampoo and conditioning routine. Now it is time to braid this hair. And I'm not using any oils. I'm actually just adding a bit of leave-in conditioner to my hair. I ended up doing 6 braids, so 3 on each side. I went ahead and parted my hair and then proceeded to cornrow. That's basically what I did. To actually braid my hair, I used a mousse. So again, no oils, no butters, nothing like that. Just leave-in conditioner and a mousse. I'm tired. I'm tired already. I just started and I don't think I'm gonna make it. So it took me about an hour to do the braids. It went by really fast, and I love the fact that it went by fast and that my hair is basically tucked away for the next 2 weeks. Love that for me.
Just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you.
After I did my makeup, this is what I look like. And girl, I looked really cute, if I may just say so myself. Okay, the braids were giving. It was giving everything. And I really missed getting braids. I didn't realize how badly I missed getting braids. And I was feeling myself so hard that I actually forgot to film an actual outro for this video. I went on date night with Bae, and we had fun. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So we went on a date and then watched Doctor Strange, which was a nice little change because it's been like 2 years since we were in a theater. So it was nice. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.